Hi, I'm Chef Carol NYC, and today I'm going to compare using pre-made gum paste to powdered gum paste mix. The purpose of the comparison is to see if there's any advantage in using one or the other. So I've prepared a mix based on the directions for the gum paste mix, and I'm going to just roll out a couple of flowers and see if I have any difference or is there any advantage to one or the other, or can I be satisfied that whatever is convenient might be the best thing for me. So let's get to it. Comparing two gum paste materials. The first one is the gum paste mix with very simple ingredients. Basically, you just mix it with water, form a ball, and then you set it out for 24 hours in plastic coated with shortening. When it was completed, it felt just like gum paste that I would get from a container. So I'm going to compare the gum paste from the mix to the ready-made gum paste that comes in a plastic covering. So I'm just going to break off a piece of each and make a side-by-side comparison. So I'm going to start by kneading both pieces to make them nice, soft, and malleable. And then I'm going to put it on my mat. Each one I'm going to form into a ball. So I'm rolling the ready-made gum paste, and now this is the gum paste made from the mix. Both look exactly the same. Using my 9-inch roller with the 1/8 inch forever rings, I'm just going to roll out each piece separately. I'm going to dust the ready-made gum paste just to keep it from sticking. And I'm going to do the same thing with the gum paste made from the mix. Remember, when you use the forever rings, no matter how you roll, the gum paste will never be smaller than 1/4 or 1/8 of an inch, depending on which rings you use. So I'm dusting the gum paste just to reduce the stickiness, and I'm going to use the large plunger cutter. This is the gum paste that I made out of the mix. I'm going to use the veiner. And plunger being, as you see, you push down the plunger. I'm going to peel it off of the veiner. Looks good. Now I'm going to take the ready-made gum paste, using the plunger. Once again, I'm going to vein it. And I'm peeling it off of the veiner. And with the two pieces side by side, there's absolutely no difference in consistency or form. They both perform equally well. The advantage of the gum paste mix might be that you can just make enough for what you need for a particular product, and because it is a powder mix, it may have a longer life. However, once it is mixed, you can actually freeze it and thaw it, whereas the gum paste that's already made, if you don't use it all and you don't use it all timely enough, it may harden and you may have to throw the entire thing away. So if you know that you're going to be working with projects that will take use of this entire tub, this is fine. If you're going to be working with small projects that may require less gum paste and you don't want to have it held in the refrigeration, then use the mix. I hope this has been helpful. See you soon.